The dumbbell bent over row. It's a really great exercise for developing your lats if you can do it correctly. Unfortunately, there's a lot of ways to do this wrong, and it's more common that people are doing it incorrectly. So I'm going to give you 2 different tips on how to improve this so you don't make the same mistake that I did for years. It's not a crazy difficult exercise, but I think 2 common things. You use too much weight. People want to use too much weight, and they're not pulling in towards their hips. So there's 2 different ways you can improve this dramatically and increase your strength. Okay, the 2 different technique cues are going to help you improve your dumbbell row. It really starts with where the dumbbell is located. You're going to initiate that movement with the dumbbell in front of your front foot. That's going to allow me to initiate that lat when it's lengthened. So once your lat is in that position, you're going to pull it in towards your waist. The other technique that you really want to focus on is wrapping your elbow behind your back. What you're doing is you're lengthening your lat under tension and you're shortening it under tension. That is going to give you the best advantage. That's going to give you the best strength gains as far as incorporating your entire lat.